So here we are on San Vicente. Again, I don't think I've ever seen this street this quiet. Some people out getting some exercise, keeping a good 6 feet from each other, so that's good. And not a lot of cars on the road, so we're about some of the only ones. We have been getting speeding complaints, as I mentioned, and we've taken our motor officers and really rededicated them to working that along the main city thoroughfares, just to make sure all the cars are staying safe. So make sure that as you're driving around, you're staying safe in your car, definitely, but paying attention to other drivers that might be speeding and taking advantage of the lesser crowded streets, and know that SMPD is